When most people hear 3D printing, they usually think of dragons, Benchys boats, fidget toys, or random plastic gadgets from TikTok. And honestly, that's not wrong. Hobby printing absolutely exploded over the last decade or so. Printers got cheaper, faster, easier to use. Suddenly, everyone could print toys, desk gadgets, and weird internet creations right from home. Or this. Because if you own a 3D printer long enough, eventually it humbles you. Failed prints, spaghetti monsters, waking up to a 12-hour disaster stuck to the nozzle. Every maker has been there. But that's not the whole story, because behind the hobby side of 3D printing, there's an industrial revolution happening. Aerospace companies, racing teams, medical manufacturers, even large-scale production facilities are using additive manufacturing every single day. Today, 3D printing is being used across those industries, and in many cases, it's solving problems traditional manufacturing struggles to handle. One of the biggest advantages of 3D printing is speed. In industries like motorsport and aerospace, time matters. Engineers constantly redesign components to improve aerodynamics, cooling, weight reduction, performance. Traditional manufacturing can take days, weeks, or even months to machine a prototype. So in an industry like F1 auto racing, where the specs change every year and race courses change from week to week, time matters. But additive manufacturing allows engineers to design, print, test, and redesign parts in hours. Formula One teams heavily rely on rapid prototyping. Using technologies like SLA and SLO printing, teams can create complex aerodynamic components with extremely fine detail needed to compete. Some of these parts may only exist for a single race weekend before engineers have to redesign them again for the next week. That speed creates a competitive advantage. Aerospace companies are also pushing additive manufacturing to the next level. Aircraft and aerospace systems require parts that are lightweight, strong, and geometrically efficient. 3D printing allows engineers to create internal lattice structures and organic shapes that would be nearly impossible using traditional machining methods. Rapid prototyping also accelerates testing cycles. Engineers can validate airflow designs, mounting systems, structural concepts, and component fitment much faster than before. Instead of waiting weeks for tooling and machining, design teams can iterate continuously. Traditionally, mass production meant making thousands of identical parts, but additive manufacturing changes that equation. Companies like Gillette, which is part of Procter & Gamble here in Cincinnati, have experimented with personalized razor handles created through additive manufacturing workflows. Instead of every product being identical, digital manufacturing allows companies to customize products at scale. Different shapes, different ergonomics, different designs, without completely rebuilding the manufacturing process. Some of the most impactful applications of 3D printing are happening in the healthcare side. Medical devices often need to match the exact shape of an individual patient, and that's where additive manufacturing becomes incredibly powerful. Invisalign aligners are one of the largest examples of mass customized additive manufacturing in the world. Every patient receives a slightly different series of aligners, designed specifically for their teeth. That level of customization would be extremely difficult using traditional methods. Hearing aids, orthotics, prosthetics, and surgery planning tools are all things being improved upon courtesy of AM. engineers and medical teams can create lightweight, patient-specific devices quickly and efficiently. In some cases, these devices dramatically improve comfort, mobility, and quality of life. For example, this young patient could not use this brace if it was made out of metal. Instead, using FDM and lightweight filaments, the quality of life that she has now is greatly increased. Additive manufacturing isn't just being used to create products, it's also transforming manufacturing itself. Companies now print custom jigs, fixtures, alignment tools, and production aids directly in-house. Instead of waiting for machine tooling to arrive, engineers can rapidly create those tools exactly when they're needed. This reduces downtime, speeds up iteration, and improves manufacturing flexibility. Not to mention, costs significantly less. In many factories, 3D printers are now treated as production support tools, not just prototyping machines. From hobbyist beginnings to aerospace innovation, additive manufacturing has evolved far beyond tools and desk gadgets. It's helping engineers move faster, customize products, improve healthcare, and rethink how manufacturing works. And the craziest part? We're still early in this revolution, because the future of manufacturing won't just be built, it'll be printed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Drip King Engineering for more engineering, manufacturing, CAD, CNC, and 3D printing content. And let me know in the comments, what industrial application of 3D printing surprised you the most?